Hi guys, Mark here. Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to be tying a small herringbone knot. Based on the 3-part 5-byte Turk's head, it is a nice little decorative knot for various projects, and you can also tighten it around the core to create a sort of a pendant if you want to make a necklace or something like that. We're going to be tying our knot on a 1-inch diameter mandrel. For example, a broomstick handle. To tie our knot, we're going to be using about 3 feet of Paracord 550. We're going to slide one end of our cord under a rubber band, which is placed on our mandrel. We're going to attach a lacing needle onto the other end of our cord. We now tie a 3-part 5-byte Turk's head. We finish our base knot by placing the working end alongside the standing end. So this is the 3-part 5-byte Turk's head. I'm going to slightly loosen it up, working some slack into the knot. It's now time to transform our knot into a herringbone knot. I'm going to slide the working end onto the left side of the standing end. Like this. So the working end is traveling under, then over, and exits under on the right side. So under, over, under. We re-enter with an under, continuing over, then under. And again, on the left side, same sequence, starting under, continuing over, then under. On the right side, we continue with an under, then over, and under 2 to split a pair of parallel strands. On the left side, we repeat the process. Under, over, under 2 to split a pair of parallel strands. On the right now, we continue under, over, under 2, again to split a pair of parallel strands. On the left, we continue under, over, under 2, yet again splitting a pair of parallel strands. On the right side, we now continue under, then over 2, and under 2 to split a pair. Repeat the same sequence on the left side, under, over 2, under 2 to split a pair. On the right, we start under, continuing over 2 to split a pair, and under 1. We now simply place our working end alongside the standing end, traveling under 2, tying our small herringbone knot. Now you can use it as it is. In our case, we're going to place it onto a core and tighten it up. You can start tightening up at either end. And that's the herringbone knot. A versatile knot which you can use for all sorts of projects, from keychains, pendants, necklaces. You really have a lot of options. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I hope to see you in my future tutorials as well.